Hope you're having a great week, fellow Realtors. Jeffrey Mr. Tech Raskin here. So here's what's going on for November, other than the regular ADW CE tech courses that we have, and that's going to be the IDW. Now, if you're an instructor, you all need this to go ahead and renew your DRE's instructor license. If you are looking to become an instructor, of course, you still need this IDW course. So why take it from us? Well, we're the only ones who talk about tech tools, and more technology to use in your real estate teachings out there, whether that be Zoom, whether that be in person, whether that be hybrid. We're there to help you to simply create great tech kick butt classes. So go ahead and sign up for the IDW course. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much, and check you out.